Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1946 Woody. Got the owner here, Robert, of many, many years. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Robert?
Okay.
So how long have you owned this one?
Approximately 50 years.
That's a little while, huh?
Yeah, a long time.
Pretty original. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Original. Wood has never been replaced.
Mm-hmm.
Varnished. New LeBaron on top and interior. Repainted many years ago. No sheet metal, any body damage or rust ever.
So it's all original panels.
All original. Still 6-volt. Everything is original except admittedly it's dual exhaust.
Mm-hmm. So you got custom headers and dual exhaust. Sounds fantastic too. So this particular model, 46, is a 1 year only body style only because of the front grille.
No, the 46 to 48, the bodies were the same.
But the grille,
I mean. Is the hubcaps, and this is chrome on the 47 and 48.
Without the spears.
Without the spears.
Cool.
And then the 47 and 48 usually have bumper guards.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So it makes it pretty unique.
Yeah.
All original wood. Beautiful wood too, jeez. All original glass. This car is so iconic, right? He also has the hubcap for the rear spare. Just needs a notch taken out of it. Purchased by Hager. You found it at Hager Tools or a Mercury?
Hager was a machine shop that used it for deliveries.
Oh.
They told me.
Oh.
And they told me they bought it. They told me because of the height, they could put stuff in there because you weren't supposed to go on the Parkways, you know, making deliveries. So with the Woody, they were able to put whatever they were delivering inside the Woody.
Oh.
You know, back in the 50s or whatever.
Yeah, so you can get on the Parkway.
That's why they bought it originally.
Oh, very interesting.
It's got a rebuilt motor in it from Ford Motor Company back in the 60s.
You found it
in the 70s,
at a local Ford dealership in the 70s?
No, they came and...
Well, when you originally bought it.
Yeah, it was at a Mercury dealer.
Oh, Mercury.
With a seized engine. So I had Ford Motor Company rebuilt the motor. And it cost me $216 back in those days to have the total motor rebuilt. Wow. And it runs perfect.
So they actually came here, picked it up?
Took the engine and brought it back after it was done.
Wow. Talk about customer service, huh? Can you fire it up? Cold start, guys. Man, that's got some sound to it. So he's got period headers and cherry bombs. Real nice sound. And also another cool thing, it's got inside hood release. So you pull it from the inside. Pop the hood. So cool. There she is, Flathead. No knowing Robert's got it all tuned up. This line right here is pretty interesting. It goes to a gas-fired heater under the dash. So here's the gas-fired heater. It's kind of like a boiler, right, Robert?
What?
The heater?
It's a gas heater.
First time I've ever seen one of those. Original miles?
Yeah. 88,000.
Wow, very cool. Very cool. How many miles do you have on the rebuild about? 200 miles. Hardly ever uses it. Man, those are some horns. Some horns on this thing. Man, runs like a sewing machine. Very cool. Beautiful paint too. When was the paint done?
10 years ago.
That's great. All original wood, all original metal. Interior was redone. And the top also, you got the parts from, who was it again?
LeBaron, Bonney.
LeBaron. They're out of business
Bonney.
now,
It was
right?
a very big company, but they literally a couple years ago went out of business.
Yeah. Very cool. Clock's right twice a day.
Clock what?
The clock is right twice a day. And we do have the original radio too. You can see that in the photos.
Yeah.
Man, the door's shut beautiful. Well, not so much that one, but this one. Beautiful. Just gotta close it a little harder, obviously. So it's a little 3 in the back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 passenger. And the roof is spectacular, huh? They probably lost money on every single one they built. So cool. Robert, could you pop the gate? Bring the gate down. It is, right? I was definitely not being able to do that one-handed.
This thing opens up like this, and you have to lock them up.
Pretty cool. Man, it's like a piece of artwork. Very cool. There's the radio. Just AM, right? Beautiful. Gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen a nicer one. In any of the Woodies
Not in this
I've ever...
area you won't find them.
No way, man. Very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks again for joining us today.